In this video, you will learn how to create a summary by summing up cell values from various worksheets. So here I have a summary sheet, then I have income for each quarter, income quarter 1, it shows income for January, February, March here, and then a sum total for the quarter. Similarly, for income quarter 2, I have values for April, May, June, and here is the total income for that quarter. Similarly, for income quarter 3, I show the quarterly sum here. Same for quarter 4. So the usual way to do it is, let's create a formula. So equal to, I will click on this first sheet, I will click on this cell, then I will add plus, then I will click on income quarter 2, then click on this cell, plus, click on this. So it's a tedious process. So if you have multiple sheets, then it is going to take a lot of time. So the total is 558939. So if we have say 12 sheets, so suppose instead of quarter it was the income for each month, then I have to go to 12 sheets for January to December and then create this formula, which is very tedious. So Excel gives a shortcut which I will show you. So I'll create equal to, then use sum bracket and then click on the first sheet, then press shift key and then click on the last sheet. So it will select all the sheets. So see the formula, encodes income quarter 1 colon income quarter 2. So all these sheets. Now I will mention from where to pick the sum, which cell. So I will summate cell B2, which is the quarterly income specified in cell B2 in each of these worksheets. So I will close the bracket. So I got the same one. So instead of going to each cell and clicking on the cell, this is the shortcut. So income quarter 1 colon income quarter 4. So then it will sum up cell B2 in all these sheets and give the same result. See 558939 and here also 558939. Now I have added additional worksheets, 4 worksheets for expenses. So like expenses quarter 1, expenses quarter 2, expenses quarter 3 and expenses quarter 4. So I have arranged these expenses sheets after the income sheet. So income quarter 1, then expenses quarter 1, income quarter 2, expenses quarter 2, like that. So in the summary sheet I have added summary for income as well as summary for expenses, and then I am subtracting expenses from income. So here I cannot add values of cell B2 in all the sheets, because for income I have to calculate the sum of values in cell B2 only in the worksheet name starting with income, and whereas for expenses I have to calculate the sum of values in cell B2 for worksheet names starting with expenses. So let us create the shortcut formula. So equal to sum single quotes income star single quotes exclamation B2. So cell B2 contains the total for the quarter. So I'll close. So let's see how this transforms income star exclamation B2 to the actual formula. Press enter, it gave the same figure, but see the formula. So it actually converted my income star to income quarter 1 B2, income quarter 2 B2, income quarter 3 B2. So automatically it inserted this formula. So similarly I will update the formula for expenses. So equal to sum single quotes expenses star close the single quote exclamation B2. So let's see how it transforms. F2, see it constructed this formula, expenses quarter 1 B2, quarter 2 B2, expenses quarter 3 B2, expenses quarter 4 B2. And income minus expenses I have added a formula. So now I have shuffled across the worksheets. So I have put all income sheets first and then I have put the expenses worksheets. So if I use the same formula, let's see how the formula is constructed. So equal to sum quotes income star close exclamation B2. So let's see the formula here. So now it has created, because all these are adjacent, so it constructed the formula as income quarter 1 colon income quarter 4 exclamation B2. So let's construct the similar formula for expenses, sum expenses star quotes exclamation B2. So here also it constructed the formula like expenses quarter 1 colon expenses quarter 4 exclamation B2 because those are adjacent worksheets, and then the income minus expenses is printed here. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.